Namaste, Pranam. I am Dr. Divavaran, Cochin. My subject is medical science and astrology. The influences of preventing marriage. In a woman's horoscope, Mars in the fifth house, delaying marriage. If at the same time Saturn afflicts the Sun, the native does not marry unless Jupiter is in the seventh house or two of these planets are in Cancer, Scorpio, or Pisces. A native with Saturn ruling the seventh house rarely marries until he is over 40 years of age, unless Jupiter or Venus be in the ascendant or in good aspects to the moon. Saturn strong in the first, fifth, seventh, or 11th house in a barren sign indicates a single life. Venus and Moon in square or opposition to Saturn indicates a single life and little desire for marriage. The ഏഴിൽ ശനി നിന്നിട്ട് അവനെ പവി നോക്കിയിടിൽ പൂത്തിരുന്നു നരച്ചിടും. If the Saturn is in the seventh house, except its own Rashi or exalted with the aspects of a malefic, the person is not able to marry. In men, a prime cause of single life is the affections of the moon by the conjunction or aspects of Saturn. In women, the same effect following the conjunctions of a planet with the sun or the sun greatly afflicted to Taurus. The moon in Libra, Capricorn or Aquarius in conjunction with the sun and in square or opposition to Saturn denies marriage. Either Saturn or Mars combust and afflicted the moon. Venus and the ruler of the seventh house denotes lack of interest in marriage and children. Venus, the moon, ruler of the ascendant and the significators of marriage in Gemini, Leo, or Virgo, combust, cadent, or retrograde indicates a single life and an aversion to marriage. When some of the significators are in Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces, and others are in Gemini, Leo, and Virgo, the latter including the moon and Venus afflicted by Saturn and not in good aspects with the sun or Jupiter, the native will be wanton and justful averse to marriage. Venus afflicted to Leo indicates a woman hater and misgamest. If the moon in Scorpio in square to Saturn in Leo or in opposition to Saturn in Taurus, the native rarely has either wife or children. If Saturn is in Aquarius, he will be a woman hater or garden. Saturn and Mars in opposite from the first and the seventh house, or Saturn alone near the seventh cusp, or Venus in Leo or Scorpio in no aspects with Mars, or Mars in the seventh in Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn, aspecting Venus or not, all indicates difficulty in obtaining a wife. A sudden marriage in the end, although the native of a lascivious disposition influences favoring marriage or the inclination thereto is indicated if the moon or ruler of the ascendant is in reception with the ruler of the seventh house, or if the moon passes from an aspect of the ruler of the seventh to an aspect with the ruler of the ascendant, or vice versa. Seventh house is Vivaha Madana Loga Bharya Bhartra Samagamo Shaye Sapte Suge. Seventh Lord is in the sixth house. The aspects of Saturn, the person is not marriage. He will just like live like a sannyasi. Thank you very much. If you like my subject, please subscribe it and the bell button switch on. I'll come tomorrow with the woman who born with Sagittarius Lagna.